Everyone loves taking photos with their mobile phones. Here are 5 mobile photography tips to get even better shots in 2018. My name is Zdenka Darula and I'm a professional photographer. Before we get to all the tips, I assume you cleaned your lens. When was it the last time you did that? Especially if you have kids and you let them play with your phone, take a second and do a quick cleanup. Tip number 1, ditch the flash. I would suggest turning off your flash on your phone camera as it can be very harsh, it creates crazy highlights and shadows, it does change your white balance, and it can really mess up your photo with reflections. Try to take advantage of natural light or other light sources, unless flash is the only way that you are going to be able to capture anything at all. Even then, for example shooting at night, you can tweak it lots in post-processing. Tip number 2, don't rush and turn on the grid. There is just no excuse for hastily snapped, bad photos. You can grab the smartphone, point and quickly shoot, but you could do much better than that. It only takes few seconds to drastically improve your photos. Look for interesting subjects and improve your composition. Now we are getting to turning on your grid. Go ahead, turn on your grid. Go to settings and choose 3x3 grid lines. Why? Most of the people take photos with perfectly centered subject, right in the middle. It works sometimes, but the photo might feel off somehow, like it lost its sense of balance. We are going to resolve it with the rule of thirds, that is why the 3x3 grid line. Look at the 4 corners of the center section. There are the intersection points of the thirds. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you want to take a photo, place the subject in one of those 4 spots. I work as a stock photographer, so I do this all the time because it is an easy way to make photos more interesting. The grid will also help you with your horizon level. Your lake or sea will look perfectly straight. Tip number 3, don't zoom. Lots of people don't realize that smartphones don't work the same way as regular cameras when it comes to zoom. Regular cameras have optical zoom, smartphones don't. They have digital zoom, which is very different. When you're digitally zooming with your phone, you will end up with lots of distortion and noise in your photos. When you print them, you are not going to be very happy. You can crop the photo to get closer to the subject, but better solution would be physically getting closer. Tip number 4, get low and find new angles. I see many people simply standing up and taking photo from the same point of view over and over in all their photos. Here's an example. I took photos and a video of our daughter on a vacation. I went down on my knees into her eye level. That is why this looked very interesting to many people, as they would normally don't look at this point of view. Photographers are meant to find interesting points of views. You should be doing with your smartphone the same. If I really want to take amazing shots, I check with what I call 9 points of view for the best shot. I walk to the right, start at the top, middle, low, then I go to the center, and then I go to the left, and again I start at the top, middle, and low. You would be amazed how many different views you can get. It also depends on the light source, which can completely change some of the points of view you get. Tip number 5, edit. Don't just apply filter. I have seen so many great images being completely killed by Instagram filters. It can be a bit tiring to look at Instagram feed full of Mayfair filtered photos. What is better, to look at the photo first, think what you want to do with it. You can play with the photo a bit in your camera editing mode or use editing applications such as Snapseed. It would be a waste to kill a really great photo you took. You would be amazed how you can improve this to get it look like a killer shot. Once you're done, if you still want to apply filter, go for it. You can always tone it down to get something unique and different. So that's it for today's video, 5 mobile tips to get better shots in 2018. Feel free to share this video, give it thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on photography tips and tutorials. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you would like to request a video on a certain topic, do so by commenting below as well. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ahoy!